In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monica AI Copilot for Google Chrome. We'll walk through installing the extension from the Chrome Web Store and getting it ready with your Google account so you can start using it right away. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the top, click once so it's active, then type Chrome Web Store and press enter. This will bring up search results. Look for the official Chrome Web Store link and click it. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a clean Google-style page where you can browse extensions and themes. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, find the search box near the top of the page, click into it and type Monica AI or Monica AI Copilot, then press enter. You should see the Monica AI Copilot extension appear in the results. Take a moment to confirm it looks legitimate, check the name, the icon and the publisher, and review the rating and number of users. It's always a good habit to verify you're adding the correct tool before installing. When you're ready, click the listing to open its details page, then select Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will pop up explaining what permissions the extension needs. Read through those so you understand what access you're granting. If everything looks good, click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in just a few seconds, and you'll see a confirmation that Monica AI Copilot has been added. If you don't immediately see the icon, it may be tucked under the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar. After installation, you'll be prompted to continue with Google so the extension can create your account and sync basic settings. Click Continue with Google. A Google sign-in page will open. Choose your Google account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're using your own account and keep your credentials secure. If you're on a shared device, consider not saving your login information. Once you're signed in, click Continue to finalize the setup. At this point, Monica AI Copilot is connected and ready. You may see a welcome screen or quick tips inside the browser. These are helpful for understanding the core features, so feel free to glance through them. From here, you're set to explore Monica AI Copilot on your favorite sites and let it assist with reading, drafting, summarizing, and more right within Chrome. That's it, simple and secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Monica AI Copilot in Google Chrome.